Hi, to run security scan on Samsung Galaxy S25, just go in Phone Settings. From here, find this tab, Security and Privacy, and then choose App Security. After that, you should see this tab, App Protection, tap it. And now you can scan your phone for viruses and malware. So tap here. Wait a few seconds till it will scan each of your app until the percentage will be 100. So we are just waiting. And this is the result, no threats detected, so this is just perfect. And after that, you will go back in a protection setting. And here you'll find this last scan tab. Here you'll see time and date of your scan. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.